Hi there, my name is Jessica Delfino. I live in New York City. I love making crafts. My friends and I have a craft group called Craftermath. You can find us online at craftermath.blogspot.com. Today we're going to work on doing a DIY string and glue decoration. And what I've chosen to do today is a little kind of like a snowflake flower type looking thing. So this is a ball of twine, which we're going to use for our string. And I've got some scissors and some hot glue. That's pretty much all we need. Basically, I've already gone ahead and cut pieces of the twine, so they're about 6 pieces, and they are all about 2 inches long, and they're about the same size. I'm going to start by taking my hot glue gun and putting a little dab of hot glue right in the middle of the first piece of twine. Then I'm going to take another piece and put it on top in an X, so it makes kind of a cross, if you will, sort of an X shape. And then, as that dries, I'm going to go on to the next one. I'm going to put a little piece of glue right into the middle. Not too much. You really don't need a lot because it's just a little piece of string. And I'm going to take that one and I'm going to put it sort of diagonal so that it's filling the space in the opposite direction. I'm going to hold that down until it dries a little bit. Keep it in place. The hot glue dries pretty fast, but sometimes you just need to wait a second and it will get real solid real fast. Okay, moving on, I've got my next piece here. I'm going to put a little dab in the middle of that. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it on top, hold it down, and it's going to eventually finish drying. Now, as you can see here, we're starting to make this sort of snowflake-esque flowery kind of shape, and you don't want the glue to stick to the paper, so just be careful that that doesn't happen. Sometimes hot glue can be a little bit tricky to work with, but with practice and time you start to understand the glue, which is an important part of crafting, understanding your materials. All right, so here we go. Now, my flower slash snowflake-esque looking thing is starting to take shape. I don't even think I'm going to use my other 2 because I kind of like the way that it looks with just 3 here, or 4, I'm sorry, just 4. Now, to finalize this little thing, you know, I think I'm just going to take a little piece of paper here to make it really stand out, and I'm going to glue it right to the paper. So I'm going to take the whole thing, I'm going to pick it up, put a little glob of glue on the bottom, plop it right onto the paper, and it's going to dry just like that. And then, say I give somebody a gift, I have this really cute little homemade tag that I can put on the gift. Once it dries, none of this stuff is going to move. You can punch a hole in it. On the other side, you can write a little memo like, to so-and-so, you know, love so-and-so. And it's drying right now. And you can add glitter to this. You can do a lot of things to spice it up and make it your own. So have fun with that and happy crafting.